Hello everyone, welcome to this video and welcome to this channel. I'm Ryan and today we are here with another tutorial in Photoshop. Here we want to know how to change a specific color from your photo to another color. So the first step is to just choose your layer under the layer panel, and then here in this icon you can choose the hue and saturation. Click on it and you can see there is a panel under the properties with lots of colorful bars. And so in this icon here with this hand, you can choose a color for changing. If I click on it and choose the color I want to change, for example here I have a red car, so I click on it, and here with this slide bar you can change the color of the car. So I'm just putting it in a random color, and then with the other two bars here you can also change the range of color. So here we have three more options. The first one will pick the color, and the second one will add a color to your work. For example, here we have this yellow one I want to change. I click on it and you can see that it has been affected by our changing. So the next one is just this little icon which subtract from our sample, which means that it removes a color for affecting. Okay, this checkbox here will affect the whole photo. And here we have something special. Here you can set a range of affected color and you can change it. For example, here we've just choose the blue, and if I change this range here, you can see that it will affect the other part of the photo. It's very useful for that parts that there are similar colors that you want to change in a photo. So let me turn it back with an undo, and also if you have any other part of your photo with the same color, you can use masking for this trick and it will be so easy. So if you have any related question, I'll be glad to answer you in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching again.